me everything I need to know.
Here's how it's gonna work. First, you're getting a starship.
How's that going to happen?
Let's just say you're not quite done here on Droban Kaas. On your ship's computer, you'll access 2 holo-recordings, both with specific details on who and where you hunt.
View holo recordings, take out targets. Got it.
Each target will have another hunter assigned to it. You have to locate that rival and take him out, too. Maybe we'll get lucky and Taro Blood will be on our first target. Now, about your ship. There's a tradition for new hunters. You've got to steal one for yourself.
I can already tell this is going to be a blast.
That's what life is for a hunter. Now, let's find you that perfect ship, yeah? Gotcha. I know one that belongs to one of them so-called importer types. Fast, smooth, and roomy. I'll pull together your holo recordings with the great hunt targets and transmit them when you hit space. Meantime, head to the spaceport. Get past whatever guards are around, steal your ship, and hit the hyperlanes.
Oh my gosh.
I'm off on the great
I'm in
hunt.
Hydra
Targets
territory.
from Balmora and Nar Shaddaa. Good luck to you, hunter.